If you want to be a roofer and actually nail it, you gotta know the real deal skills like climbing safety, shingle installation, leak detection, and weatherproofing right from the start. Alright, so first off, climbing safety is huge because you're literally working on roofs that can be super high and sketchy. Always use the right gear, like harnesses and non-slip boots, and check your equipment before you start. When it comes to shingle installation, you gotta be precise. Make sure the shingles overlap correctly and use the right nails so they don't blow off in bad weather. Leak detection is all about being detail-oriented. Check for any cracks, gaps, or worn-out spots where water could sneak in. Weatherproofing means sealing everything up tight with materials that can handle rain, wind, and sun without breaking down. Also, pay attention to flashing around chimneys or vents, because those are common weak spots. Keep your tools organized and clean to work faster and avoid mistakes. And finally, always watch the weather forecast so you don't end up stuck in a storm on a roof. One of the biggest mess-ups roofers make is ignoring climbing safety rules, which can lead to serious injuries or worse. Always double-check your harness and ropes before stepping up. Another common problem is poor shingle installation, like not aligning them properly or using the wrong nail size. Fix this by taking your time and following manufacturer guidelines exactly. The third issue is missing leaks or not weatherproofing well enough, which causes water damage later. To avoid this, inspect every inch carefully and use quality sealants designed for the climate you're working in. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners can find trustworthy local contractors for their roofing jobs without the headache of endless searching. It also helps contractors get new work by connecting them with people who really need their skills, making it a win-win all around.